Can you master interval notation with algebra inequality symbols? Have you ever wondered if you can truly master interval notation using algebra inequality symbols? Well, let's break it down together and find out how these concepts connect. Understanding inequalities is the first step. Inequalities use symbols like less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. For instance, if we say is greater than 2, we write it as x2. This tells us that can be any number larger than 2. Now, interval notation is a way to express the solution sets of these inequalities. It provides a shorthand for describing ranges of values. The key components of interval notation include parentheses and square brackets. Parentheses indicate that an endpoint is not included in the interval, which corresponds to strict inequalities. For example, if we have x1, we write this as -3, 1. This means can take any value between and 1, but not including and 1. On the other hand, square brackets show that an endpoint is included. So, if we say 3 is less than or equal to x and is less than or equal to 9, we write it as 3, 9. This means includes both 3 and 9 along with all the numbers in between. Sometimes we have mixed cases. For example, if we say is less than or equal to x but is less than 1, we write it as -3, 1. Here, -3 is included but 1 is not. Intervals can be open, closed, or half-open. An open interval has both endpoints excluded, while a closed interval includes both endpoints. A half-open interval includes one endpoint and excludes the other. Understanding these symbols helps you convert between inequalities and interval notation easily. This skill is important in algebra because it simplifies how we communicate solution sets. It also helps visualize these sets on a number line. Practicing how to convert inequalities to interval notation and back will build your confidence. You can also visualize these intervals on a number line to see how they relate to each other. Interval notation is frequently used to express solution sets of inequalities, the domain and range of functions, and intervals of validity in various algebraic contexts. Mastering this notation makes solving and graphing inequalities clearer and more approachable. So, can you master interval notation with algebra inequality symbols? Absolutely. With practice and understanding, you will find it becomes second nature.